HCA Yearbook staff. We're going to learn how to place a full spread, full bleed background image on the yearbook spread in InDesign without covering up or obscuring the folios, which are very important. So in order for us to do that, since the folio is in the master, we're going to have to go up here to Pages and go into the document master. Now that we're here, you can see if we select here, then we can edit these folios. And while I'm in here, I may as well go ahead and, since this is going to be the opening spread, I'm going to retitle this caps lock, the year you see clearly, because this is the intro. Come on over here. All right. And I'm just going to go HCA 2019-2020. I'm going to save. Now that I got the folio decent, I'll zoom back out, fit the spread in the window, and I'm going to create a box for placing. So we're going to go all the way up here to the full bleed line, and we're going to make our placement box here so that it extends over. Now I'm going to go ahead, while that's selected, and I'm going to arrange, I'm going to send it to the back so that it's behind everything. That's the key to making it the background. It's got to be in the back. So now that that is still selected, I'm going to go Command D on my map to place something. Okay, maybe that command doesn't work. I'm going to go here, File, Place, Control D. Since it's a virtual PC, I guess. Okay, let's go up here to I'm going to go to Pages, and I'm going to go to the, let's see, where is this item? I don't know where it is. I'm just going to go in here and place this. I'm going to replace this with another one. We'll have to find it, but that gives you an idea of what it's going to look like back there in the background. Now the new one that I'm going to place is even darker, so this is going to still apply. So what we're going to have to do now to make sure that the folio is viewable, get this out of the way, scroll down here to the bottom. You can see here that they're black. That one is black. That one is black. Black on black doesn't show up too well. So we're going to go here, select the text. You can see that it's filled with black right now. We're going to fill it, guess what, with white. All caps, F, 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 F is pure white. Okay, now it's white. Now we can see the folio clearly. Ha, did you see what I did there? Haha. All right, so that's that. Now I just have to, I'm going to save. Okay, I already did. So that shortcut worked. So that's saved. And I'm going to go out and I'm going to find my correct image, and once I do that, then I'll be able to replace this one with it. So hopefully that gave you the idea of how this works, and next time you'll be able to do it. Any questions? Comment on the video. Thanks, bye.